Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Close.com pipeline dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Close.com pipeline dashboards, begin by logging into your Close.com account. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Select the specific pipeline you want to update. Click on the edit button or the pencil icon usually found in the upper right corner. Review the existing dashboard settings. Identify the sections that need updates based on your current focus. To add new metrics, click on the Add Metric button. Choose the type of metric you want to include, such as deals or activities. Specify the time frame for which you want to display the data. Next, adjust the filters to narrow down the data as needed. If you need to rearrange the layout, simply drag and drop the metrics to your desired positions. Customize the appearance of your dashboard by choosing colors and styles that fit your branding. Once you have made all the necessary updates, be sure to save your changes. Review the updated dashboard to ensure everything appears as expected. If you encounter any issues, use the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Finally, share the updated dashboard with your team if collaboration is required. Repeat these steps for any other pipelines that need updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.